Make a great choice today with the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, autonomous braking, remote engine start, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, suspension control magnetic, universal garage door opener. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.